Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to enable the CSS IntelliSense and autocomplete for class names which you have declared inside your CSS file, and in HTML source code how to enable those CSS autocomplete IntelliSense for class names. So there is an extension in VS Code. Go to the extensions tab, just right here CSS IntelliSense, and this extension will come right here, IntelliSense for CSS class names for in HTML source code. So it has got almost 9 million installs. So it will save you a lot of time. It will show you this autocomplete suggestions for your CSS class names which are declared inside your style sheets directly inside your HTML code. So first of all, just need to enable this extension by clicking the install button, and this will install this extension. So after that, simply go to your HTML file here. So whatever CSS you have declared right here, it can be custom CSS, it can be included through third-party link tag. So I've declared a bunch of these classes. As you can see, we have this calculator class here which is styling this. So now if I go to the HTML and simply type this class here, it will give me these suggestions. As I write the class name, you will see it will scan the entire document, and depending upon that, just wait for the extension to completely load, and then you will see the suggestions coming. So just after you click the activate button, simply give time. So once you install this, as you write this class name here, it will give you suggestions. And same goes with any element. You basically give the class attribute. So I personally tried this extension. It definitely works. For some reason, I think that it is not working for me because it is not loaded properly. But you can personally try this, activate this extension, and this will show you the IntelliSense and autocomplete suggestions for all the class names which you have declared inside. So simply go to your HTML and right here, just give it. You can even restart your VS Code as well for the changes to take place. So this is the class here which will show. So also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.